बहुत ही मुश्किल होने वाला है क्योंकि हमारे फैमिली में एक नहीं 3 डेथ्स हुए हैं। हम सब वहाँ होंगे लेकिन हम एक्चुअली पूजा में बैठ नहीं पाएंगे पहली बार।
To everyone, we are here for the official press conference announcing the Durga Puja. Welcome everyone on the dais.
Thank you so much.
This is the year when everyone is looking forward for North Bombay Durga Puja. Samar, beginning with you, please tell us about the North Bombay Durga Puja, the schedule, the plan ahead.
So this is our 79th year. The 79th year of our Durga Puja, and we should be getting the unveiling of our Durga Ma on the 27th evening. So that day is going to be the unveiling, and the official Durga Puja starts from 28th evening. 29th is going to be our Shaptami. 30th is our Ashtami. First of October is our Navami, and on the 2nd of October is the Dashami, where we'll have our immersion and everything. So this is the plan for the Durga Puja.
And needless to say, how much we're missing Debuda and Ansali. I'm sure we are going to be missing him throughout this tenure. Please tell us about, going ahead with Durga Puja this year without Debuda firstly.
I mean, of course for me, but I think for all of us here, this year is going to definitely be marked a lot by the fact that Baba is not around this year. Because, especially in the last 10 15 years, he was like so passionate about putting the pujo together. So I think he's going to be in all our minds and hearts. In fact, I'm coming from doing a little puja for him today. And I think everybody here has been already very much at the forefront uh, of organizing the puja and of keeping it going. Uh, I think I was standing a little bit more at the back because Dad was there. Now I definitely feel more responsible and a little more passionate myself to step up and do more for Durga Puja this year.
And we're looking forward to that. Tanisha,
You want me to say something about?
about Durga Puja, about Debuda, and of course about going ahead now.
आई थिंक ये साल बहुत ही मुश्किल होने वाला है क्योंकि हमारे फैमिली में एक नहीं 3 डेथ्स हुए हैं। अनफॉर्चुनेटली वी आर इट इज़ अ फैमिली पूजा। हम सब वहाँ होंगे लेकिन हम एक्चुअली पूजा में बैठ नहीं पाएंगे पहली बार। बहुत डेफिनेटली बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट होगा देखने के लिए वो पूरा पंडाल एंड एवरीथिंग विदाउट द स्ट्रॉन्ग प्रेजेंस जो देवू काका का पर्सनालिटी प्रेजेंस एवरीथिंग। आई थिंक हम सबको थोड़ी सी लाइक डेफिनेटली इट्स गोना बी वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट फॉर अस, लेकिन वी आर वेरी एक्साइटेड एंड वी आर वेरी हैप्पी कि वंस अगेन वी आर एबल टू पुट दिस अप, क्योंकि हर साल ये जो कमेटी एफर्ट डालती है ये दुर्गा पूजा बनाने में और सब कुछ एक साथ लाने में, इट्स अ वेरी बिग बहुत ही बड़ा एफर्ट है एंड हम सब उसमें शामिल होते हैं। ये पूरी कमेटी बहुत काम करती है एंड ये काम एट द एंड ऑफ द डे जो मेरी दादी ने शुरू किया था हमारी फैमिली आगे बढ़ा रही है। तो आई थिंक इट्स गोना बी डिफ़िकल्ट, बट वी आर वेरी हैप्पी कि इस साल फिर हम एक पंडाल खोल सकते हैं, चला सकते हैं एंड होपफुली बहुत सारे लोग आएंगे उसके लिए।
Of course, नहीं बहुत लोग हैं.
Yes, Anthony.
No, nothing.
Do you have members night with special
yes. Yes.
Yes.
Debu Kaka was one and only for this Durga Puja. He is the epitome of this puja. He was himself an institution. और आज जो भी हमारा पूजा इतना बड़ा हुआ है, one of the best पूजा with biggest in Mumbai and of course all India also, बहुत ही जल्दी आ जाएगा वो। तो it's all because of him, one man, one and only Debu Kaka. And of course he'll be missed a lot. I mean there's no words. अभी भी हम लोग मिस ही कर रहे हैं, पर उनका आशीर्वाद है और उनके ऊपर, तनिषा के ऊपर, शामरद्दा के ऊपर, हम सब पर And members' night will be a very special night dedicated a Shraddhanjali tribute to Rono Kaka, Debu Kaka, and Pishima. So this year is very difficult, but the show must go on, and I think we would be happy. And Debu Kaka is always with us, giving us strength and emotionally, mentally. And Debu Kaka, Kaka के लिए तो कुछ भी we can do for him. I mean, he was the captain of the ship, the pillar, and the most loved Kaka, and active in Durga Puja. बचपन से this is the fourth generation, the Lahiris, that we are in the puja, and Rego is the fourth generation now. My grandfather Apresh Lahiri, Bashuri Lahiri, performed with Shashudar Mukherjee, Dadu, and Dida, the great
Your father,
legends.
your
My,
father.
yeah, then my father, then me, my brother. Now it's Rego. So ये इतिहास चला आ रहा है, and on generations we pray to Ma Durga to give Ashirwad, to give us Shakti, strength, so that our children also take it ahead and make it bigger and bigger. That's what I really pray. Thank you so much.
We have special plans for unveiling of the Padma this year. I would like you to shed some light on that.
Yeah, as most of you might be aware, this is the world's most followed Durga Puja.
Sad.
If we talk about Insta और YouTube, दुनिया भर से करोड़ों लोग अपने पूजा को फॉलो करते हैं, और इस साल हमने कुछ स्पेशल प्लान्स बनाए हैं। सबसे पहले तो जो अनवीलिंग है ऑफ द दुर्गा माँ प्रतिमा,
Pratima.
तो वी वुड रिक्वेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू टू कन्वे आवर मैसेज टू द एंटायर वर्ल्ड दैट कि ये डिजिटली भी हम अनवेलिंग करेंगे, and we expect our followers across the world to see that. The other thing is that this year we also have thought about it. We'll try to do live stream of some of the special events such as the Pushpanjali, Aarti. दुनिया भर में अगेन करोड़ों बंगालीज हैं, नॉन बंगालीज हैं जो बहुत श्रद्धा से अपनी पूजा को फॉलो करते हैं। बहुत लोग शायद दुर्गा पंडाल जा भी नहीं पाते हैं फॉर वेरियस रीजंस। इस साल वी विल ट्राई टू इंश्योर हमारे इंस्टाग्राम के थ्रू कोई भी डिजिटली हमारे ये सब पुष्पांजलि आरती देख सके। So we'll try to make this even bigger this year, this being a tribute to Debu Kaka and other Rono Kaka, other members who have left us. So we'll try to make it bigger this year.
Sir, your thoughts, please.
It's this puja started actually in my uncle's house, in Mr. Shashidhar Mukherjee's house, at the first year. That was much before I was born, 79 years ago. And then it moved to Podar School. I grew up with this puja in Podar School. It was a very small puja at that time. We used to sit, a few of us, on the floor, and people used to serve and so on and so forth. And I think from there, the one who wanted to make it much bigger and bigger was Debuda. And so it graduated from Podar School, went to Balkanji Badi. We ran there, the puja there for a few years. फिर वहाँ से हम गए ट्यूलिप स्टार होटल, वहाँ पे ऑलमोस्ट 8-9-10 साल हम वहाँ पे थे। वहाँ पे पूजा और बड़ा होता गया। Now we have come to SNDT College. First of all, we are very grateful to all the authorities of the Education Ministry of Maharashtra, as well as the management of SNDT College कि वो हमें परमिशन दिए हैं वहाँ पे पूजा करने का। बट ये दूसरा साल वहाँ पे होगा। अब पूजा और बड़ा हो गया है, and we get about पूरा कुल मिला के 5 लाख लोग आते हैं। कुल मिला के हम ऑलमोस्ट 20,000 लोगों को खाना खिलाते हैं, भोग खिलाते हैं, which I think is very unique। और कोई पूजा है नहीं पूरे दुनिया में जहाँ पे ऐसा होता है। So I think this puja has now become a landmark। और शुरुआत बहुत छोटे से हुआ था, लेकिन ये अभी now it has become the largest puja in the city. It has become the most followed, most high profile puja in the world। तो हमारा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी यही है कि हम ये पूजा को बहुत अच्छे तरह से करें, और all arrangements have been made, and it will be a very nice जैसे कि सभी कह रहे थे कि this is in memoriam of gentlemen who have passed away, of my sister who's passed away, but definitely we want to make it a very happy memory for them and institution which they will be remembered by.
Of course.
So yes.
Thank you. And what are your memories of growing up on our Bombay Durga Puja, as a child till today?
Oh, I used to be obsessed with. Can you all hear me clearly? I don't need this, no? Um, Actually, I was more involved and more obsessed with Durga Puja when I was younger than I think when I started getting more busy with my work. I think for a lot of children who grow up in the Durga Puja, it is just an absolutely fantastic experience. It's just so much fun, serving bhog, um, all the Anjali, Pushpanjali that happens, participating in it, uh, the feeling of Ma Durga everywhere. It's just a unbelievable feeling. Those 5 days of the year were like a festival, which was just amazing. Going home, coming back for evening entertainment. So I think even I discovered a little, later on how deeply Durga Puja is embedded in my mind and heart. So it is very close to me personally. Uh, of, then, of course, because of dad and all of this. But I do feel that this cultural tradition that we are helping to continue is also very important in general for our society, for our city, for our culture. I see a lot of value in keeping uh, this kind of tradition going on because it keeps something which is very intrinsic to our country and our culture alive by doing it. It's very we could just as easily not do it, but then these traditions, these things gradually disappear. So now I think of it a little bit more from that perspective. I feel we do have a responsibility to keep it going. Uh, it spreads an energy out there which keeps things alive, a sense of community alive, which is very important. And actually, I think for my dad also, that was actually what the Durga Puja was about. It was more about bringing family and community together than only a religious festival. Yeah.
Alicia?
Oh, wow. Can everybody hear me? I also don't need the mic now. Yeah. So basically, the Durga Puja for me has always been, it's always been about my dad. It's just always been about my dad. मेरे पिताजी जो थे, he was